Want to find free 4K wallpapers? Then see this video. Number 1 on our list, we have got unsplash.com. This is the best website where you can get free wallpapers and free stock images with highest resolution possible. So for getting wallpapers on the website, you have to come here and click on wallpapers. So if you click on wallpapers, it's going to open up a section where you can split or get the different types of wallpapers that you would prefer. So if I choose HD nature wallpapers, if I click on it, it's going to bring up a branch where you can see all the nature wallpapers. So now these are filtered according to my preference. You can come here, you can set all the filters and all so that you can get your best possible wallpapers. And these are free to download with the highest resolution at 4K. Number 2 on our list, we have got Pinterest.com. So this Pinterest.com is a very reputed website and it also provides you with multiple images for free with high resolution downloads. So you can search any type of branch or any type of related general things and you will get lots of images on it. So you can select which one you want to download. Number 3 is Google search images. So this is also a very good way of getting HD wallpapers. So I'll just HD wallpapers. But you can surely customize it according to your needs. For example, if I will come here into more, so here you can see I can select the type of wallpaper that I want. If I will click on this tools option right here, you can see I can customize it more by on the usage rights. I can click on the time for your relevance, the type. So you can see drawing wallpapers or GIF wallpapers or art type wallpapers. You can select the theme, color of the wallpaper of the images. You can select the size as you can do in Unsplash also. So you can see there are multiple ways of customizing your preferences. So all this will help you to get a perfect quality wallpaper.